biggest thing with your safety objective is they need to be specific to you. Following the SMART system is probably the best way. SMART stands for S is specific, and that's specific to you. The M stands for measurable, so something that you can actually measure. The A stands for achievable. The R stands for something that's realistic for your organisation as well. And then the T stands for something that can be done in a timely manner.
Those specific safety objectives really are the engine room of the SMS, and they need to work for your organisation and reflect the type of operations that you're doing every day.
So some of the key objectives that we have in our SMS, we have 8 of them. The key ones are all around the training of the students, so their safety. So one of them is a reduction in reports relating to solo flights. And start small, and then you can eventually, through the years, build it up, as we've done. So through the years, we've made our safety objectives sort of a little bit harder each time, because we're finding that we're being able to meet them on a more consistent basis.
One of our safety objectives is to make sure that our staff and our people feel supported. We noticed that they weren't really sure of what sort of reports that they should be putting in. So what we did is we shared different examples of what sort of reports that they could be submitting. After that, we noticed that the system was being used more embraced by our organisation.
When we established our SMS, we looked at the various frameworks that were already established. So we looked at the CASA model, we also looked at the KO model. We also went to industry and looked at what worked well, what didn't work so well, and then we were able to take the best of each and put that into our own system. So initially it was a very simple process. We started out with some basic functions. We opened up that reporting system to all of the team, and then we were able to get that feedback so that we could build our SMS and grow that to what it is today.
Making a start into an evolving safety management system for smaller operators or for people who are just starting in the field, I think it's about firstly committing to every time your people and aircraft go out, that they come home safely. Having a fit-for-purpose system that's transparent, that engages with people and that is reviewed regularly to make sure that it is fit for purpose is absolutely critical to achieving safety. Understanding the human factors, the interface between machines and systems and human beings who get tired and distracted, and then just taking a structured approach to capturing those lessons.
Safety objectives vary again between the different parts of the organisation. Engineering has very specific requirements, as well as our pilot training. All of our objectives rely solely on that safety first, safety always principle. So we try and integrate that with every part of our operation.
Advice I'd give to a smaller operator is, whilst larger operators generally have more resources and time, as a smaller operator, because you've generally got a closer knit team, it's easier to implement changes. But just make sure those changes start out small. Make sure that you've got backing from the highest level in the company, from your leadership team, and really foster that positive safety culture straight away. It's really important that you allow people to feel comfortable in reporting any incidents that they might have.
What does your organisation want to achieve, and where are you starting from and where do you want to get to? I think that'll help you map out a bit of a plan of what your end goal is at the end of the day, because the end goal is more than just putting a system in place, right? You might want to be driving increased reporting to increase learning. You might want to be improving safety culture or raising safety standards in your operation. So understanding what that end goal and what you want to drive out of it is really, really important.